Dassault Aviation is exploring to buy out the stake of Reliance Defense in their joint venture Dassault Reliance Aerospace Limited, as it aims to redefine timelines and streamline production of Rafale fighter jets under the MRFA program, that will allow the first locally assembled Rafale to conduct first flight as early as 2028, which is significantly ahead of the originally projected schedule. Dassault Aviation is discussing a government-to-government deal that seeks a minimum purchase of 100 Rafale units, as well as transformation of the Nagpur-based facility into a maintenance, repair and overhaul hub for Rafale aircraft. The Director of Finance at Mazagan Dock Shipbuilders has said that the shipyard is actively collaborating with the French firm Naval Group to finalize the selection of new equipment for the 3 additional Talwar-class submarines that will incorporate substantial enhancements in equipment and technology as compared to the first 6 Scorpion submarines. The process of equipment finalization is anticipated to take around 6 months, after which price negotiations will begin. The Indian Army is in the process of finalizing the technical parameters of future-ready combat vehicle, and the plan is to have the first prototype ready in 4 years, and induction of 1,770 future-ready combat vehicles starting from 2030. The preliminary staff qualitative requirements will be issued in a few months, after which the process of selection of the interested developing agencies would be done. The director of Russia's Federal Service for Military Technical Cooperation has said that Russia has already delivered 3 S-400 squadrons to India, and the production of remaining S-400 system is being carried out according to schedule, and the 4th and last squadron of S-400 system will be delivered to Indian Air Force by the end of 2024. The construction of first 2 advanced Talwar-class frigates at Russia's Yantar shipyard is progressing steadily, and is poised to enter the trial phase very soon, with delivery expected in 2024. The 3rd and 4th frigates are being built at Goa Shipyard Limited, that will be delivered in 2026 and 2027 respectively. The Advanced Weapons and Equipment India Limited has announced that it has received an order to manufacture defense products worth 6,000 crore rupees. That includes an order for 300 Sarang artillery systems upgrade from the Indian Army, and orders worth 450 crore rupees received from European countries. The Indian Air Force has signed a 300 crore rupees contract with the Veda Aeronautics for 200 Swarm drones that will be delivered in the next 12 months. The Swarm unmanned munition system is a catapult-launched jet-powered drone, which has a range of over 150 kilometers, that will enable precision strikes on heavily protected enemy air bases, camps and vital installations.
Omar dropped it.